Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 teenagers, and today I'm sharing with you my morning routine. Yeah, I have quite a mess. This is Monday, the day after Cinco de Mayo. I actually went to bed last night with a little bit of a headache, so I didn't clean up after dinner, so I'm going to do that this morning. I'm going to share with you what I normally clean up in the morning. So come along with me and hopefully you get some cleaning motivation.
So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like.
Lucky for me, either my husband or my daughter did the dishes for me last night, so I don't have too many dishes to do. I just need to unload. We always do the like the 7-hour soak and clean on our dishwasher. We always like to do the long one rather than a quick wash. I feel like it gets the dishes much cleaner than if we do it like a quick wash.
I feel so lonely now, walking through the cold streets where you used to hold me. You know it's been a while, ever since I saw you. Oh baby, everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like.
My parents actually gave us this margarita machine for my birthday a couple years ago, and we bring it out every once in a while to do like slushies or something for the kids in the summertime. And I thought Cinco de Mayo was the perfect time to bring it out, but it does leak a little, and it kind of gets everywhere, so I had to wash down the base and make sure to clean it out really well, because I don't want any ants or anything when we put it back up in the attic.
Dance with you, I wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground.
Figured I would share with you a little example of how gross my white cabinets can get. When I back up, you can see that you really can't tell even where the spill was. So that way, I'm not always just wiping down clean cabinets. There are spills and little dirt spots on them. It's just I don't always do close-ups.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on.
Same goes for my stove. I always have these little cooked on spots, and this cream cleanser does wonders with a little glass top Brillo pad. It really does get up all the little spots. I'm in love with this system. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing the Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser because it is amazing.
Driving along the road tonight, lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. rest my head don't feel my spark between the chores and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I am going to let my Roomba run, and he's going to do my daily vacuuming for me. He picks up all the pet hair and all the dust and the dirt. I pretty much only use my Dyson for quick pickups, quick cleanups, and right before I want to mop, and I let my Roomba do my daily vacuuming and pickup for me. Hopefully you got some cleaning motivation from this, and if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I make cleaning motivation videos twice weekly.